Hey everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about cold cereal. And some of you going, cold cereal? Well, yeah, I know everyone talks about having, instant oatmeal and other ones, cream of wheat and stuff in your preps, but cold cereal is something to have too. Why? You don't have to heat it. Now, in doing your preps for your cold cereal, make sure you get cereal that everybody likes. Check the ingredients on the cereal too. Try to avoid ones that use high fructose corn syrup because that's just not good for you. Now, one of the things you can do, if you buy the big bulky boxes, the big bulky bags and stuff, you can repackage it. You can, use simple sandwich size Ziplocs, do up single servings, put it in there, drop in an oxygen absorber in there. Suck all the air out and use a little vacuum, suck all the air out and seal it tight, and you're good to go on that. Back when I was a kid, we had these little small boxes, snack size or breakfast size boxes for road trips. You take the box, you lay it outside, have perforations along near the ends and down the middle. You'd open it up, you'd open up the foil, pack it inside, and you'd pour your milk in there. Well, now they got this plastic stuff, which is a pain in the butt to work with, but they still do have them, but they're not good and cool like it was when we were kids, where it was a lot easier to use. But those plastic material bags they have inside the boxes are so friggin' airtight, it does keep the stuff fresher longer. Of course, the boxes never lasted long around our house because we were always sticking them for a snack. Now, you can make your own little version in a sandwich-sized bag, and then when you go open it up, you set it down and, on the table, and so it pops open just right. Pour a little milk in there. It's watertight, and you can just eat your cereal that way on a road trip, out hiking, whatever you're going to do. Now, some of you are going to say, well, that's really not going to keep it safe very long. Fine. You take the bag in the sandwich, you get the bag all flattened out, suck all the air out, and you drop your oxygen absorber in there. Seal it up, vacuum seal up, get several of them, put it inside a Mylar bag or a seal-a-meal bag, food safe or whatever, suck all the air out of the outside bag, and it will keep it fresh a long time. So a lot longer than just leaving it in the bag without an oxygen absorber in there. Because oxygen absorbers, as they absorb the oxygen, creates even more of a vacuum in there on the item. So with your cold cereal, some cereals it's good to have that don't require adding milk to, that you can just eat straight. One of our favorite things is the frosted mini wheats. We'll get a bowl of those and just go sit in front of the TV and eat it like popcorn. We don't put milk on it, and we're just going to eat it. Chex is another one that people eat cold, dry all the time. Cheerios, kids eat Cheerios dry all the time. And then you have your honey nut Cheerios, and you have your oat cluster nut Cheerios and stuff like that. So there are, Life cereals, one that as a kid we used to, eat all the time without milk. So there are a lot of cold cereals that don't require milk that you can package up for our individual servings, and you can, add oxygen absorbers, seal them up, put them in bigger bags, seal them up, and keep them for a long time for emergency situations. All right. And with that, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps water, food, medications, and skills. Because, well, why? Well, this is why.